doing a test recipe with pancake mix. So I'm gonna do a half a batch because I've never made this recipe before and I'm just making it up in my head as I go along because, well, that's just what I do. Okay, so I've got pancake mix here. And so what I'm gonna do is attempt to make muffins, pancake mix, and 7-Up. And get out my muffin liners. Oh, I forgot the chocolate chips. Now, if you want just plain muffins, there you go, it's 2 ingredients. My boys like chocolate chips, and I use the mini chocolate chips because it distributes further, so you get chocolate in each bite without the expense. So that's maybe not even a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, probably 2 tablespoons. Oh my goodness, how quick is that? Wow. There we go. I'm gonna throw these in the oven and let them bake. Okay, I think they actually turned out. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I should have greased my papers. I never do that, and I should. Yes, it's painting day, but I'm gonna give this a bite. Okay, grease your papers, guys. Let me see. Okay, that is actually really good. I'm totally shocked. Tastes just like a chocolate chip muffin. Now, if you want it slightly sweeter, I would add for every cup of mix, I would add maybe 2 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of sugar. But it's actually really tasty.